Welcome back. Today we are looking at the NZXT F120X Performance Fan, 120mm PWM RGB PC case, review powering your daily routine. When it comes to building a high-end custom liquid-cooled PC, the components you choose, especially your cooling fans, can make or break your thermal performance. We've seen a shift toward thicker, more robust fans designed specifically to push air through dense radiators. Check the video description for the updated price link. The NZXT F120X Performance Fan is exactly that, a specialized, 30mm thick powerhouse engineered for maximum static pressure and airflow. This technical review will dive deep into why this fan has quickly become a contender for the top spot in the enthusiast market. Whether you are building a new rig or optimizing an existing setup, understanding how components like these interact with your heat dissipation is key. If you are also interested in optimizing your physical space, check out this related product guide for home fitness. The NZXT F120X is not your average case fan. While most standard fans come at 25mm, the F120X increases its profile to 30mm. This seemingly small 5mm difference allows for larger, more optimized blades that can move significantly more air at lower RPMs, reducing noise while increasing thermal efficiency. This is critical for users running tight-fin custom water cooling radiators where resistance is high. LCP frame blades using liquid crystal polymer LCP material allows for higher structural rigidity, minimizing blade flex at high speeds. 30mm thickness, the added 5mm over standard fans, provides a larger surface area for moving air, which is a major advantage for static pressure. Magnetic fluid dynamic bearing designed for long-term reliability and whisper-quiet operation by reducing friction. PWM control highly adjustable RPM range to tailor cooling to your current workload. Vibrant RGB integrates seamlessly with NZXT's aesthetic ecosystem. Testing, the F120X excels where it matters most: static pressure. When used on a 360mm custom liquid cooling radiator, the ability to push air through dense aluminum fins is unparalleled by standard 25mm case fans. Because of the LCP material, the blades hold their shape even when the fan is spun up to its maximum RPM, which significantly reduces the high-pitched whine often associated with plastic fans running at high speeds. The magnetic fluid dynamic bearing MFDB ensures that even after months of continuous operation, the noise levels remain consistent. A quiet room, the noise floor is barely perceptible at idle, and even under full CPU load, the sound remains a low-frequency hum rather than a distracting drone. It is important to note that the 30mm thickness is a significant design choice. Before purchasing, verify that your PC case has sufficient clearance, especially if you are mounting them the top position where they might conflict with RAM modules or motherboard VRM heatsinks. However, for those with the space, the gain cooling performance is undeniably worth it. Will the F120X fit all PC cases? No. Because of the 30mm thickness compared to the standard 25mm, you must ensure your case has adequate clearance. Is the RGB software controlled? Yes, it is fully compatible with NZXT CM software, allowing for deep customization of lighting effects. Can I use this for case airflow, or is it only for radiators? While it is optimized for static pressure radiators, it functions excellently as a high airflow case fan as well. The NZXT F120X is a premium fan for the serious builder. By focusing on technical specifications, specifically the 30mm LCP construction, NZXT has created a fan that solves the common issue of noise versus performance. If your build can accommodate the extra thickness, this fan provides some of the best cooling performance available on the market today. Aesthetic fingerprint door knob lock with app review 2026 Toputure walking pad treadmill with 12 incline. For eye review precision at its best, check the link the description to get yours today.